Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to the Automotive channel. Today we're taking a look at the second car I've purchased. There are three of them. The first one you saw, of course, the Alfa Romeo GTV. And now we're going to take a look at the second one. They're done in no order, all three turned up within like 10 days. But this is one I wanted to try again. I've already owned one and I had a really bad experience with it. And that is, of course, the lovely BMW Z3. Now, I purchased this one a couple of weeks ago off a friend, and I actually planned to buy it back in, I think it was January, roughly. And he's like, it's not going to be available until March, end March, early April, because his missus is having a brand new MX-5 and they still got to use this to get to work and that. So I was like, okay, they promised me the car was going to be mine. And yeah, I got a phone call a couple of days ago and he was like, you can pick up the car now, you can come and get the car. So I did. So this is a 1.8 litre BMW Z3 and it's 2000 and it is the facelift model. Mine was 99, my original one. So it's got a different back end, the wider hips, not standard wheels that come with a car. I changed the wheels over. I had these wheels like 2 months before I had the actual car, but they come up cheap and I grabbed them straight away because same wheels I had on my previous Z3 and I really like the wheels. They're very easy to clean, to be fair, so that's why I wanted to get them again. Not too fond on a number plate, lats, but you never mind, it doesn't matter. The car is filthy, I will apologise. I'm literally just 5 minutes away, not even 5 minutes away from where I live, and the weather has been absolutely terrible for 24 hours and I've had to put sheets back on cars and everything. It's been crazy. So the car is filthy. I'm not actually using him as of from today. He's going in for an MOT tomorrow. That's one of the problems with it. It did need an MOT, but I'm 100% sure the car's going to pass flying colours. I'll let you guys all know. But the car's actually going to a friend's house tomorrow evening because I ordered a car back in November and it's due. Yes, I've been keeping that one a bit of a secret, but more on that in another video to follow this. But yeah, BMW Z3 1.8. The best part about this car is you can't really tell with the wet roof, but it is a blue roof, which is nice. But this is my favourite part. The solid blue leather interior. Now look at that. That's one of the things that sold me the car. So let me do a bit of a story for you all once I get in. I was saving up at buying a Fiat X19 and I said to my partner Hannah that it's between an X19 and a BMW Z3. And then my friend I messaged him, I saw it for sale and I was like, look, can't come and have a look. The only pictures we had was the car outside, so I had no idea about the interior and it was a shock when I picked it up. Car has full service history, loads of receipts from day one, the original receipt when the car was purchased, all the keys, the works. So it's great, and the car's been serviced. I had a chain done last year or the year before. They had a new roof about 2 years ago. Unfortunately, the roof did suffer a bit of damage here. The boot, CD player that works, and a cassette player that works. If you guys go back to I'll put it in a link in the description, everything that was wrong with my Fiji edition Z3, you'll see. Got the original first aid kit, original triangle, something I picked up the other day, really nice. Didn't come with the car. New filters, a toolkit this for the Alphas, as you can imagine, and the original toolkit done there, spanners and everything, locking wheel nuts, all that. But yeah, look at it. It really is a beautiful car. Now, when I was looking at Z3s, when I originally wanted to buy one, I wasn't looking at facelift at all. I did not like the back end of these, and it's grown on me. It really has. In fact, we've done a 300-mile trip the other day, road trip down Devon across the coast roads using no motorways whatsoever, and the car was amazing, absolutely amazing to drive. It just handled perfectly. I took about 200 pictures, and yeah, it was a really nice day out, and we're going to be doing plenty more of that. We want to film it, it's just there's so much going on and we didn't get time to film it. We just want to enjoy the roads. But I got a lovely photo of the back end of the car, and that might even be the photo that I'll put in the thumbnail. But it was a really good drive. The car, no issues whatsoever. The only thing I could mark the car down as is, I'll show you now, this is the only thing I'll mark the car for, and it's an easy fit. The throttle pedal, he sticks ever so slightly. I don't know if you can hear it, and it just needs freeing up a little bit. That's all it is. It's a job that I need to get done. I'll do myself, hopefully. It's nothing too serious. But yeah, that is the only problem I have with this car. Everything else is perfect. You know, the roof is great. It is blue. It doesn't show too much because it's been wet. If I jump in here, sorry. This here, wind deflector. This is actually really nice. It does work. We tried it out the other day. It does exactly what it should. Storage, got the roll bars. Mine never had the roll bars. Yeah, all electric seats, all electrics work. Like I said, original radio, which that all works. Got the clock down there. It's just great. It really was a bargain. I'm really happy with it. I did get it cheaper than some of them go for. There you go, roadster there. But you know, he knew I like my cars, and he said I'd rather it go to you than someone who's just gonna buy it and flog it straight away to make some cash, because they needed to get rid of it because of the new car arriving. I was like, look, I'm gonna drive it, I'm gonna enjoy it. I had a really bad experience with my last one, so you know, I want to try give it another chance. And that's exactly what I've done. I've gave the BMW Z3 another chance, and I absolutely love it. I really do. It's a really great car. Ideal for the summer. However, I got to remember that I got Yugo for the summer as well. We've just bought a third car, which is coming to the channel, because this is number 2 or 3. And obviously you saw the first one, the GTV. The GTV I'll have more on soon, at update. But yeah, you know, I want to use it. We use it as much as we can. But it's going at my friend's house for a couple of weeks, just to so we can sort everything out, because the new car I've ordered. But more on that in another video. But yeah, there you go. That is the BMW Z3 that I bought, 1.8 litre. The only thing I didn't mention is it's got 110,000 miles on it. It was 109 when I bought it. I put a couple more on it on that road trip as mentioned, and I have been using it. As you can see, it's quite filthy. We had a Coastal Carnival show the other day. There's a bit of rust at the back of the sill here. Not even worried about it. It's not enough to warrant getting new sills. If I want to make it a concourse car, I've got to keep it garage and only use it on the best days, which probably only happen three or four times in the UK during the summer, then yeah, I would get the sills done. But no, I use my cars, you guys know that. All my cars get used, and I put miles on them because I don't care about putting miles on cars. So yeah, there you go. Let me know what you think of this BMW Z3. Hopefully you get some videos done for you with it, but like I said, it does have to go away for a couple of weeks. I'll still be going up to it and messing with it, probably taking a few days just to keep it running, but we got a new car on the way, so yeah. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the link in the description to check out what was wrong with my original Z3, which is my most popular video on my channel. And yeah, you'll see why this is such, everything works, locking works. That was the main thing that was on my other CD player, tape cassette. It all works, it does everything the car should do. So yeah, I'm wabbling on here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon with car number 3. Bye for now.